In Germany, you must enjoy pretzels even in the airport lounge. Visit the Senator Lounge near G24. Don't miss the signature bar in it. Try this tasty crab soup. Enjoy the onboard snacks.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Good day, Germany. My first impression here is so posh. All the taxis are Mercedes. Since I'm going to Munich Airport and taking Lufthansa Economy Class to Frankfurt. Before I unbox the lounge and flying experience, as always, I will let you know how I got here. I flew Oman Air Business Class on board the 787 Dreamliner Apex Suite from Muscat, Oman. Experienced the Omani home-based Middle Eastern luxurious business class lounge. Enjoyed the 5-star fine dining in the air. For the full details, please check the link below. Back on the ground. Now I'm at Munich Airport Terminal 2 landside. Let me try to find out the check-in desk for Star Alliance Gold members. Here is for economy class. Not many people, so it should be efficient. Also, a large area for bulky baggage. For self-check-in travelers, you can enter the baggage drop, usually more efficient. I found the business class check-in, however, it is still not for Star Alliance Gold yet. It is funny if I just drop my luggage in the economy section where I saw at first. I don't need to carry a lot of luggage in this huge airport. Finally, I found the private first class check-in, which shows premium but is hard to find. I have domestic flight today, LH119 from Munich to Frankfurt. Flying time is less than 1 hour. Since I'm flying economy, probably no food on board. Let me discover the Lufthansa home base lounge here. No surprise, here in Germany there are good numbers of Lufthansa lounges. The one I will unbox today is Lufthansa Senator Lounge G24 Schengen Lounge. It's hard to imagine what it looks like inside. Let's find out. Upon entering, I like to keep my luggage in the locker when visiting the lounge. It's a good feature here. The key is a piece of heavy steel, quite classic. After the long day, I opted for a free shower first. First impression, pretty neat design, matching sleek business style. Let's have a quick tour. Here's the tap and sink. The amenities are providing French brand L'Occitane. With a hairdryer, but I didn't see the dental kits. Maybe by request, here is a higher space where you can put the luggage and easier to manage the clothes. Towels and hangers are provided. Also equipped with a toilet, inside which is a plus. The shower comes with a hand shower, with the same brand of amenities. There's a phone room, since it's pretty quiet in this lounge. Firstly, let's explore the famous spot in the Senator Lounge. Definitely the outstanding selections of drinks you may enjoy with snacks at this bar. However, if you are not a fan of alcohol, mocktails are available. Another very special thing I only found here is the crab soup. With a wine glass, feels quite premium though, and full of ocean flavors. In the Lufthansa Lounge, you may always find pretzels. Nice, right? Here got cold salads. Also hot dishes with gravy, could make you enjoy a bit. Some more cold options like cheese, hams and desserts could be found here. Of course, coffee and teas. Furthermore, water, soft drinks. And you shouldn't miss famous German beer as well. If you are not hungry, snack bar is where you should look after. Before leaving, they are reserving the candies. Take away if you like. In summary of Lufthansa Senator Lounge at G24. It's a great place to chill a bit before boarding. It's not a massive type of buffet, but quite essential for cold, hot dishes and snacks. Alright, it's time to head to the gate. And my flight is an A321 narrow-body aircraft in economy class, 3-3 configurations. Before we unbox the flight journey,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Welcome on board. Let's have a seat tour. The middle seat armrest is adjustable. In the document pockets, got a safety card, food menu, and shopping magazine. Foldable tray table is standard for economy class seats and could move a bit for your comfort. There's okay legroom with a fist space. I can also store my backpack below the front chair. It's raining today. Luckily, and I'm on the flight already. Let's try the recline angle. It's nearly nothing. to save the space. A simple white line does make this chair a bit more stylish. There's no power socket or USB charger in economy class. Personal air vent and reading light are available. Also, a tiny hook could hang the masks. Since there's no entertainment system on board, I decided to read the shopping magazine again and again. Finally, it is time to prepare for takeoff. Please sit back, fasten the seatbelt and relax for the flying journey to Frankfurt. Soon, I received the water bottle. And the only food was delivered. You're right, the Lufthansa branded chocolate. It was tasty. Considering 45 minutes, it's okay then. Right after having the chocolate, we are now approaching Frankfurt Airport. In summary, the intra-European flight journey is more like taking a bus, not much in economy class. However, if you have lounge access, it will definitely enhance your journey. In my next video, I will continue my journey from Frankfurt to Cairo, Egypt via Lufthansa. Experience the Senator Lounge. And how about the onboard meal on this 4-hour journey?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.